Hey guys, welcome to yet another tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how you can digitalize your handwritten notes using the Google Gemini and the Claude AI as well. So with the new image engines on both of them, the pre- calculations and the output quality for them has become much sophisticated and much better. So let me show you how you can digitalize your handwritten notes that you might have be using in your university or classroom into digitalized form. So let's begin and let me show you how you can do this. So first we'll be using Gemini. So you can easily digitalize your clear photos by either uploading them to Claude. So the 3.5 Sonnet or the Gemini 2.5 Pro can provide instant transcription, organization, and formatting into Markdown or text. So these AI models excels at understanding context, organizing messy handwriting into structured lists, and converting, for example, recipes into digital cards. So first we'll be digitalizing with Gemini. So first we'll need to take a photo of my notes, which I already have in my clipboard right here, as you can see. So I'm going to simply paste this particular note, and once I've uploaded it, I'm going to type in a really simple prompt. So for example, my prompt can say transcribe this image into text and format it as structured markdown with headers. So be sure to make your prompt a little more descriptive, not just typing in read this or read that. So you can also refine this prompt or and ask Gemini to add tags, clean up typos, or turn the content into a list as well. Now, once we have done this, I'm going to select the Pro model and hit the enter button. And similarly, parallelly, I'm going to do with the Claude as well. Here I have selected the Opus 4.7. I'm going to simply type in the prompt and also attach my image as well. So with the Claude, you can ask it the same thing and we will see which one gives a better result. So now you can see that it has summarized this particular page and you can yourself compare it. So this is the image that you can see right here, and here is this particular transcription or the detailed notes. You can yourself content. The mistakes are almost negligible and it is near perfect, that we can say. Now similarly we can say that Claude has also done a really good job. It has also created the similar styled flowchart as in this image we can see contract agreement and enforced by law. A little formatting gaps, but aside from that it is actually very similar. So this was a real fun experiment, but things that you will need to take care of is that you should have a good resolution image. So ensure that good lighting is there with high contrast while taking your photos, and the writing is clear. While AI is good, exceptionally messy handwriting can definitely cause errors. And you can also ask the AI not just to transcribe but to summarize, format as a meeting agenda, or even create a to-do list from these notes. So both of these models can accurately handle process and structured handwriting text within seconds, thus making them effective for turning physical notes into digital searchable documents like we have seen here. So this was all about this quick short experiment. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, do make sure to drop a like button as well. Being said that, thanks for watching and have a nice day.